Good morning, students. Welcome to English Class 10. Today we start with Unit 3 poem I Am Every Woman, written by Rakhi Narayani Shirk. About the author. Rakhi Narayani Shirk is an academician with a passion for writing poems as medium of self-expression. She is a postgraduate with a bachelor's degree in education. At present, she lives in New Mumbai. She is a single parent to a sweet daughter, and she proudly says about women how brave we are. Before we start the poem, let's have a small introduction on it. What the poet says about the woman in this poem. The poem is about the wonderful qualities of women. It talks about the multifaceted nature of women. Today's women are empowered, brave, strong, and resolute. They are always ready to take up new ventures. They are persistent and work tirelessly to prove that they are capable of. Women have to be treated respectfully for the growth of a nation. The poet tells us about the power of women. So let's start the poem I Am Every Woman with poetic lines and its explanation. A woman is a beauty innate, a symbol of power and strength. She puts her life at stake. She is real, she is not fake. Explanation. Every woman is an inborn beauty. She is a symbol of power and strength. She is born to put her life at risk. She is real, she is true in expressing her love, and she is never fake. Second stanza. The summer of life she is ready to see in spring. She says, Spring will come again, my dear. Let me care for the ones who are near. She is the woman, she has no fear. Explanation. She is very optimistic in her approach even at times of adversity. She says, Spring will come again, my dear. She finds a ray of hope and she continues to care for her near and dear ones. She is the woman and she has no fear of anything. Third stanza. Strong is she in her faith and beliefs. Persistence is the key to everything, says she, despite the sign and groans and moans. She is strong in her faith, firm in her belief. Explanation. She is strong in her faith and believes. She says that persistence, it means determination, in her key for everything. In spite of the complaints, the grumbles, and the grievance, she is strong in her faith. She is firm in her belief. Fourth stanza. She is a liners, don't mess with her. She will not spare you if you are a prankster. Don't ever try to sow her pride, her self-respect. She knows how to thaw you, saw you, so beware. Explanation. She is ferocious like a lioness. Don't tease or play a joke with her. It is better for a mischievous person to stay away from her. We should never try to bring disgrace to her pride and self-respect. She knows how to freeze and cut them, so be careful of her. Fifth stanza. She is today's woman. Today's woman, dear, love her, respect her, keep her near. Explanation. She is today's woman, dear ones. Therefore, it is safer and healthier to love her, respect her, and keep her near to our heart. She should be kept as a dignified person. So, dear children, from this poem, we have come to know the importance of every woman in our life, how she cared for us. She is strong in her faith and belief. Yes, we should love them, respect them, and salute them. So that's all for today's session. Let's meet in our next session shortly. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.